If you want to take gesture screenshot on OnePlus 15R, you can use 3 fingers and swipe from the top towards the bottom, just like that. This allows you to capture a full screenshot. Besides that, you can press and hold your 3 fingers on the screen, and then once you have this highlight, you can actually swipe down in order to immediately select the area of the screen that you want to capture. If you want to capture a partial screenshot instead, you can still adjust the area by grabbing by these white lines on sides or in the corners if you want to resize or adjust the cropped area. And also you can press and hold with 3 fingers and then just lift those fingers in order to then with 1 finger select the area instead. In my case it actually went quite bad, but we can still adjust it regardless. So that's pretty much it. And of course, if you want to make sure that these gestures are enabled, because you can turn off these screenshot gestures, you need to open the settings. Then in here, go to accessibility and convenience, and then we're gonna go to the screenshot. Over here we have 3 finger swipe down and 3 finger touch and hold option. Both of them can be disabled, so if the gesture doesn't work for you, just make sure that it is enabled in here. Leave a like and subscribe.